working on this 2016 Cadillac Escalade. Pretty much what's going on with this is wheels are peeling. Pretty common problem for these cars. So here's a work in progress. Replacing a few of those. This one is sprayed with the first coat. Here is what I use. It's like $6 from Pep Boys. And still have 2 more wheels to work on. This one and this one. Here are some extra pieces that I got from eBay. Got 7 of those for like $30. So 4 are good and 3 were bad, damaged. So let's see how it's gonna come. First you cover all the obvious damages. Just give it a slight spray. You know what, I forgot to mask this one. Let me do it first. Pretty much you go all over like this. Spend some time. Don't rush yourself. So I give it 1 coat. Looks much better. Let's give it a few minutes to dry. Put another coat. Let's go to next one. Very easy, right? So we'll tape it around, clean it a bit, and spray it. Okay, finally it's ready for spraying. Put some rugs over there. So almost done. 1 more coat on these 2, and I'm sure should be all. Okay, removing. For all unwanted overspray, we can clear it up or use the black spray. So this is how it looks after I painted and removed everything. It's not bad for $6, right? So it's all done. It's not like 100% perfect, but pretty decent.